Peduli Alam means in Indonesian care and protect the nature. Got founded by a French woman called Charlotte Fredouy, and it's an organization, NGO, foundation looking after environmental issues and education. My name is Heike and I do live in Bali for about 8 years now. A couple of years back I met Charlotte and I learned about Peduli Alam and what Peduli Alam does in this area, and I really liked the idea and I saw the importance of it, and then I slowly started volunteering and helping out. The truck is our main regular thing we're doing on a day-to-day basis. The truck is out almost every day, over 20 times a month, to clear the area and empty our bins, which are located from Batuk Sini until Amet, both ends of the so-called Amet area, and from Bunutan up into the hills to Bulinton. It's quite a big chunk of Bali's northeast coast. So yes, we're busy picking that up on a daily basis almost. Monday afternoons we are joining other NGO called Trash Hero Ahmed, who is doing a regular once a week rubbish cleanup in this area.
Ini ada organik. No organic. Organic, no organic nih.
We also do a bit of education with the children on the spot, teaching them how to divide rubbish into the different materials, which they can either recycle or sell, to give them an incentive of not throwing them or burning them. It's nice cleaning up the beaches, but the rubbish still needs to be transported to the local landfill sorting station, and this is where we come into play and help them with transporting the collected rubbish from the beach cleanup.
In order to use all the plastic we can, we found a solution in order to create eco bricks. So to create eco bricks, you can use all the soft plastic you have. So it's really easy. You take an empty bottle, you put it there, you take the plastic, put in front of the bottle, and you push. You put all the plastic you can inside. At the end, it has to be really, really strong. And thanks to that, you will be able to create a lot of different objects with that. So, for example, with those bottles, we created a chair. It's really strong. You can sit on it.
Everything that we make from plastic sachets that we buy from the warungs is recycled, transformed by a family in Gilimanuk into bags and other useful items for everyday life. Everything made from cans, flip-flops, paper, inner tubes, whatever we can find, we do with the children in the recycling workshops in the afternoon that we do in our shop. We do visit the schools in this area on a more or less regular basis and teach them about organic, non-organic, how to recycle things, how they can help cleaning the environment, about the health issues that could arise and do arise from dumping, littering, burning rubbish. And we also try always doing it in a playful way, make it easier and to make it fun for them. In a normal Balinese household, it gets swept and cleaned twice a day, once in the morning. After that, everything gets thrown away freely, but it gets cleaned again in the afternoon. But here we're actually in a situation where people already sort of divide it into the different types. There's plastic bottles who can be sold and recycled. This is stuff that goes in our Peduli Alam bin, which is on the road. And there's drinking sachets. We buy them from them. We can make bags like this. So that is quite a good selection or dividing of rubbish already in this situation. I'm pretty happy about this. I do love living here. I live here for quite a while. I come for even longer, so I've seen the development, what's happening here regarding the rubbish situation. I do like living in a clean and healthy environment. Therefore, I try and tell the new generation what we in our Western world already have experienced before, but already have found solutions for regarding the rubbish situation. Yeah, Bali's very beautiful. It's very beautiful to me. I just try and keep it as beautiful as it is, and the people as healthy as they can be. Hopefully.